Hi my darlings, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing an autumn fragrance haul with you and I'll be showcasing all of my niche perfumes. So my darlings, grab your cup of tea, boil the kettle, sit down and let's talk about perfumes. Now we are in autumn and I love the autumn season. Guys, I am here with a beautiful cup of tea. And let me share this one with you. This is for my tea lovers out there. You know this wouldn't be a Charlene Ford video without tea involved. So my darlings, I am ready for the autumn season. I'm wearing autumnal clothing. I have my tea here. I'm loving this shade of varnish here. I think I've been wearing this shade now for about, I think the last like 5 years. It's a beautiful colour by OPI. So I'm going to link this shade down for you down below. So let me share the tea I have with you. So this is what I love about fall, and it's all about being cozy and relaxing and just preparing to hibernate for the winter. So let me show you this beautiful tea that I have. This is a tea that I always buy every year. And this is my Harrods Autumn Blend. This tea is my go-to tea like every October to November. I love this blend. And this is a red leaf tea and it has some chocolate notes in here. We have apple, cinnamon and ginger. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh, if you're a tea lover, you have to try this blend. So let me show you the leaves because that's always important. I think you should see the types of leaves here to brew. So we have these beautiful, can you see the leaves there? Beautiful blend. If you were visiting me, this is what I'm preparing for you in my kitchen. This is beautiful blend of, there's some cocoa nibs in here, we have ginger, apple, really nice, some cinnamon in here. It's a really nice spicy tea, perfect for the autumn. So I have my tea ready, and what I love about this time of year, guys, is candles. I love candles, guys. I think that's like my second addiction. First one being tea or perfumes. I'm not sure which one comes first, but I love my candles and I want to share this one with you. This candle is beautiful, guys. So I bought this candle from the White Company. Speaking of the White Company, guys, I have a huge haul to share with you guys. So let me know if you're interested to see all my candles that I've purchased for the next videos. Let me know. Today I've got my cup that matches the season, and this is a very beautiful cup. This is my fine china that this usually only comes out for Christmas and during the autumn. So this cup looks so autumnal and beautiful. It's one of my favorite cups and I love the style. This is the 18th century style cup and it's really intricate and beautiful. It's a very unique style cup. This gives me Alice in Wonderland vibes. I will also link this down below for you guys. This is amazing for a gift, I think. It's beautiful. Let's get started. So the first perfume I have for autumn is Rolling in Love. This is your powdery, sensual fragrance. Very elegant. It's perfect for going out or for date night. Something cozy and warm. Like I was saying, during this time, you are usually at home, maybe hibernating, spending more time indoors. And if you're having any dates and things like that, you might just be dining inside or ordering a takeout or something. If you want to make that night romantic and you want to wear something very elegant, powdery and pretty, Rolling in Love by Kilian is exactly what it says. It is like you're rolling in love. It's powdery, it's sweet, it's almond milk. So beautiful. Oh guys, I just feel so elegant in this. Every time I wear this, it just smells romantic. It's creamy. I do get the almond milk in here. So imagine oat milk or almond milk. It's cream and velvety in texture. Then you have iris in here as well. Oh guys, it's so beautiful. I love the base of this perfume. It's a dry down that you do receive that tonka note in here with vanilla, so it makes it creamy and romantic. So Rolling in Love by Kilian is something I think is my top niche perfume this fall. So try this one. This perfume I speak a lot about on my channel. This is Bal de Freak by Rado. And this perfume has a citrus burst. In this opening you receive lemon and bergamot. You have some violet in here and jasmine, and in the base you get that vetiver and some woody notes. This is a really nice fragrance to transition into the autumn because you receive that burst of freshness. So you're coming from the summer, warm, hot days and mellowing down into like chilly nights. And this suits that time of year because you've got the citrus to match that, but then you've got that heart or base of the vetiver, the woody notes. This perfume, I do receive violet, jasmine, that bergamot in here. It's fresh, it's clean, it's a bit woody as well. It's a beautiful juice that I just love. This just matches my outfit, I think. When I think of Byredo, it's one of those fragrances that's quite easy to transition into either spring and summer or autumn, winter. This fragrance matches my khaki dress. It gives you that sort of woody vibe about it, clean, sleek and sophisticated. Beautiful scent. I think this makes a great unisex scent as well. I do receive good wear out of this perfume as well. And what I love about Bal d'Afrique is that you do have this sort of watery notes to it. It's not too heavy and dense. It's more of a clear, clean, light and wispy perfume. So that's my Bal d'Afrique by Byredo. What I love about the autumn is that it's all about indulging, and it's either indulging in sweet foods and delicious warm drinks, whether it may be tea or lattes, and then you're just cozy with your candles, and it's all about just enjoying your evenings. And there's a perfume that reminds me so much of sweet treats, something that's dessert-like. It's this perfume right here. This is my Changing Constants by Penhaligon's. Oh my gosh, guys, when I first tried this perfume, I was mesmerized. I love that salted caramel note. It's a gourmand, but it's quite light. Changing Constants is your creamy vanilla, tobacco and cashmere in the base of this perfume. But in the heart of it, you do have that salted caramel, and it opens with some spices, some pimento in here. With the addition of cardamom, it does add this warming note to it, and this is more of the sweeter cardamom note that I've noticed. This is so beautiful. I really love this perfume, and I just love Penhaligon's bottles, especially from the Portraits collection. To be honest, the whole collection. But there's just something about it that I just love, and I just love how unique they are and how heavy. I love the weight of the bottle, the curvature, and the head is just so beautiful. And I think this one we have is a deer. That suits the autumn as well, isn't it? That's quite pretty. Love the bottles. It's so stunning, easy to hold. It's just so cute and feminine. I love it. You know, I just look at my perfumes all the time, smelling them, looking at the bottles and polishing them, making sure they look beautiful and stunning. But yeah, I do love these bottles. Changing Constants is something you can wear in the daytime as well as the evenings. It is sweet, but it's balanced well because we have vanilla and tobacco in the base, so it's not too heavily or densely sweet. That's what I do love about this one. Suits both genders as well. This will radiate quite close to your skin. It's such a shame that this doesn't last as long as you would like it to. I can get about 4 to 5 hours in this one, bearing in mind I'm not overspraying. So I think maybe if I spray this more, I would get a bit more wear out of it. But this just smells beautiful. It smells like autumn. It smells like the leaves are falling. It smells like you should be wearing khaki and beige clothing right about now. It's that sort of scent. Really stunning. So that's my Changing Constants by Penhaligon's. So this is the last fragrance from my collection, and it's a Guerlain fragrance. Now guys, I adore Guerlain so much. Oh my goodness, I love Guerlain. And I would love to know from the whole house of Guerlain, what is your favorite perfume or perfume collection? So they have the Arts and Materials collection, they have the Mon Guerlain range, they have the Acqua Allegoria. What is your favorite range? I would just love to know. I might get some ideas on what to film for you guys next also. So this perfume I have, guys, this is the definition of autumn. This is my Angelique Noir. Again, with this perfume, you do have some green notes, vanilla, we have cedar in here, we have Angelica. It's a really beautiful fragrance. So beautiful, I need to have a cup of tea. What I do love about Angelique Noir is quite similar to my Bal d'Afrique. And with Bal d'Afrique, you can wear that as a transitional perfume, as you can with this one here. And I think it might be something to do with the green notes. We do have pear in here, we do have Angelica as well, but we have the vanilla, which is warm and creamy, really beautiful green twist on the vanilla. So this has to be one of my most unique vanillas in my collection. There's a smoothness to it, it's green, it's a bit floral, it's sweet with the vanilla. Beautiful perfume you can wear on date night. This is a fragrance you can wear all throughout the day. I think you can wear this easily in the daytime as you can in the evenings as well. I think it performs better in the evenings because of that warm vanilla touch to it. Beautiful creamy vanilla by Guerlain. This is my Angelique Noir. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on my thumbnail and watching today. I really appreciate you guys' support. It means so much to me. If you guys have any requested videos you'd like me to do a special feature for you, please leave your comments down below because I am starting to film all my requested videos for you. And if you have any other suggestions, they are welcome too. Please leave your favorite 2 fragrances that you'll be wearing this autumn, as I am so curious to find out what you'll be wearing. And also, what will you be drinking this autumn as well? I'd love to know. So darlings, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.